I had a bathroom fan light that broke, and it uses this type of connector. It didn't have the part number, but it did say it was 13 watts and 3000 K. Based on the bottom connector, I think it was this type of light. This, and it doesn't show you, but let's see if I can find it somewhere here. The base I'm looking for is gx24q-1, and it looks like this. Let's check. Looks to be a match, so I just need to put the fan light on. So if you need a short light that uses gx24q-1, this is a possible solution. Costs $7 to $8, but most of the common ones are pretty long, like twice as long or just longer. So if you need something that's short, this is for you. Check the base still.